How do I track my UPS truck?
Hello viewers, and welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we're going to talk about something that can be very useful for everyone who uses UPS for their delivery services. Our main focus today is how to track a UPS truck. So, if you're expecting a parcel and would like to know where your delivery truck is, you're in the right place.
What do you need to track your UPS truck?
To start tracking your UPS truck, you'll first need a couple of things. Your tracking number. This is a unique number assigned to your parcel. You usually get this number when you ship your item or receive your shipping confirmation email. A UPS My Choice account. This is a free service offered by UPS which offers a range of benefits including tracking delivery trucks. If you have these two, you're good to go.
How do you set up a UPS My Choice account?
Setting up a UPS My Choice account is straightforward. Head over to the UPS website and look for the New User or Sign Up option. Fill in the requested details such as your name, address, and contact information. After you've signed up, you'll need to verify your email address. Once done, you're all set with your UPS My Choice account.
How do you track the UPS truck?
With your tracking number and UPS My Choice account ready, here's what you need to do. 1. Log in to your UPS My Choice account. Use your credentials to log into your account. 2. Enter your tracking number. Look for a tracking field, often found under Track a Package or similar headings, and enter your unique tracking number. 3. Check the status of your delivery. Once you've entered the tracking number, you'll be able to see the status of your delivery. If your package is out for delivery, you can usually see a map showing the location of the UPS truck. 4. Follow the truck. Use the map to track the truck's location in real time. Remember, the accuracy of the location can vary and there might be some delays in updates. And that's it. Now you know how to track a UPS truck and get real-time updates on the location of your package. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you'll find the process easy and convenient. Don't miss your deliveries anymore and keep up with your UPS trucks. Happy tracking!